Welcome to our full guide on how to add your location to snaps on Snapchat. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your Android device to begin the process. Step 2. Capture a snap using the Snapchat camera, ensuring you have the perfect shot to share with your friends. Step 3. Locate and tap on the third icon in the toolbar that resembles a note to access additional editing options. Step 4. Look for the location icon within the editing tools and tap on it to add a location to your snap. Step 5. Search for the specific location you want to tag in your snap. Make sure that Snapchat has permission to access your device's location. Step 6. Once you find the desired location, tap on it to add it to your snap. Step 7. Customize the appearance of the location tag by tapping on the location and exploring various customization options. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your snaps with location tags, adding a personal touch to your Snapchat stories. Start sharing your adventures with location tags today.